common person, pag pumunta sa site, may not see anything, but at least we got to explain to you na sa ilalim nito is marami na palang nangyayari. And construction is in full swing, so please expect more updates and more construction dito sa South Pipelines. Yun lang, no?
Enough siya na kahit kopihin natin yung basically yung position natin, okay, ng pag structural ng ating